Hello everyone. Just want to say thanks for checking out our listing here on scarletinc.com. We've got a pretty large variety of used ONSRUD machines available. Today this one is a 5-axis 98E24. Comes with a open controller as well as a few optional features. It's got an increased horsepower spindle, an additional tool tray, so there's 12 positions on the left and 12 positions on the right. This is equipped with a 24 horsepower spindle, 2 separate tables, so we've got a 5x4, 5 foot deep by 4 foot wide, and a secondary 4 foot wide by 5 foot deep table. You can lock those two together and have it be a 8 foot by 5 foot table, or run them independently or pendulumed back and forth. So there's 4 different table modes that this machine can run in. This spindle was recently put on by our service team, so this machine has a brand new, well, it's a reconditioned spindle, but brand new to this machine. Like I said, it's got the OSAI open controller on it, which was an upgrade from the 10510, an automatic greasing system for automatic lubrication. So please give us a call if you have any interest in this machine. We're located very close to the Grand Rapids Airport and be happy to do a demo and show you this machine. Thanks, have a good day.